Yo, what's up guys? Well, I'm just going to be showing you the characters when we make puppets when me and Casey are going to make puppet videos. So I'm just going to show you guys which characters I'm playing. So like kind of the best characters. Well, comment down. Okay, whatever. Guys, I'm going to be showing you in 3, 2, 1. You can get any snacks and come on and join this video with me. Okay. 3, 2, 1, reveal. So, guys, those are all of my characters that I'm going to be playing. So, I know I'm on a different account, but I don't play him. See him right here. So I'm gonna tell you their name. So this guy's name is gonna be Lucy. It's a girl, and his name is gonna be Beezer. Right, his name is going to be Bowser. I know, guys. I know that there's some SML names. His name is just New York Bear, or you can just call him New York or Bear. His name is obviously Cookie Monster, guys. His name is obviously Chef Pee-Pee. His name is obviously Olaf, and his name is Junior and Joseph. So guys, those are all of their names. So I was just going to show you their names. I wasn't really going to do anything, so